Well, today's trade of the day is a bit of a classic one, really, and a trade we discussed and talked about and called in the workshop this morning, which is the way in which we interact with customers twice a week, giving live market analysis, live trade calls, and so on. And the trade we talked about was sterling yen, 15-minute chart. We had a buying opportunity just before the workshop started, so 7:45 this morning, looking to go long. And here's the reasons why. Let's just move to the right-hand side there, and effectively when the entry was given there, 153.43, the entry point on the close of this bar. What we've looked for there is the turn in the market. Now, this doesn't really look any different candlestick-wise to perhaps here, but we're looking for the changes in colours there to give us the entry point. That takes place here, giving us the confidence to get into the trade. Trend signal line changing from red to green, vector average turning from red to green there, and there's our entry. Highlighted, giving us even more confidence, and perhaps a slightly earlier entry if you wish, using the sniper circle there. So on the face of it, on its own, a very, very good looking trade. And of course, quite bullish on the pound anyway, especially after that long on the 4-hour chart as talked about in yesterday's trade of the day. And let's have a look at that 4-hour chart, because actually the trend side of things is very strong as well. This green line here suggesting that markets have a bias to the upside. So this green line here telling us we should be favouring the buy side. This basically then gives us the confidence to take this buy here at 7:45. Absolute textbook. This is straight out for the trading manual, quite frankly, here. 7:45, 153.43 entry target. Top of the price envelope here, 153.71. So effectively looking for about 28 points with about a 17-point risk. Yeah, that's not too bad, really. So if you're going to risk maybe 100 quid on the trade, you're probably going to pick up around about sort of 150, 160 quid on that trade there. So nice move. If you're doing £10 a point, of course, that's potentially 280 quid. Good news about the trade is that it went on and hit target before sterling data, economic data came out at 9:30, hence that little bit of a jump there. But out of the trade, already taken profits, and a really nice early few pips there for Trendsignal users. So good on anyone that took that. And of course, anyone who's considering using Trendsignal, we do have a webinar this evening, so that's at 7 p.m. If you would like to register for that, look at the live events page on our website, and you can book a place for that session. You'll be listening to my dulcet tones for an hour, but hopefully we'll see you online. Catch you later.